Assalamualaikum. I'm Sana from Sana Talks. Hope you people are fine, good, hale, and healthy. Okay, our today's topic is that how you can start a conversation with a stranger or maybe the person you know. So here are some points you can talk about. For example, number one, you can introduce yourself. So this is a very common thing that we are introducing ourselves and telling the other person that what we are doing and all the stuff. And number two, you can talk about the weather. Number three, you can give compliments. Number four, you can ask for help. Like, for example, you are asking for directions or recommendation or something. So these are the few points that you can talk about even with a stranger, right? So, how you can start a conversation? From you can introduce yourself, and onward you can talk about weather, and onward you can give compliments, and onward you can talk about, I mean, you can ask for help. So these are the things that you can start a conversation. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, so hit the like button, comment, share, and do subscribe. Otherwise you will never get the next video. Allah Hafiz.